In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a website for your Japanese restaurants. If you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with multi-sites, welcome to our YouTube channel. We build multi-sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. You can literally launch a website and manage it directly from your smartphone. It's that easy to use. It's really affordable. It's only $9 a month, and there is a free trial available. The great thing about the free trial is you don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial for 7 days and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website for our Japanese restaurants on the multi-sites platform. Once you've registered, put in your details. It's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. On the multi-sites platform, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from. However, if you've just stumbled across this video and you don't even have a Japanese restaurant, you have another small business or side hustle, and you can't quite find it listed here, comment below and let us know, and we will add it as we are adding more every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Japanese restaurants at the top here, and there we go. I'm going to go ahead and select this template. Now Multi-Sites is going to ask me a few basic details about my Japanese restaurants. It's going to work its magic and do all the hard work and creates a website for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. I'm now going to go ahead and select the type of business and leave it as restaurants. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now Multi-Sites is going to ask me a few more details just so it can put all the information for my websites in. It's going to ask me my phone number and my email address. So let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, I'm now going to go ahead and click on continue, and I'm going to put my street address in over here. And my state or province, and just make sure everything is correct. Okay, let's go ahead and click on continue and let Multi-Sites do its thing. Now it's going to ask me my hours that my restaurant is operational. So let's go ahead and say we open at 12 p.m. on a Monday and we close at 9:30 p.m. on a Monday. We also open on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Let's say we're closed on Sunday. Let's go ahead and leave that. And what time do we open on Sundays? Let's say we're closed on Sundays. Okay, let's go have a look at all that information and see if it's all correct. Looks good to me. And there we go. Click on the button and let Multi-Sites work its magic and do its thing. And there we go. It's literally generated a one-page website for me. Let's have a look at that. All looks really awesome. Wow. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected images that are all royalty-free, free to use. So go ahead and use them if you like them. However, everything on this website is amendable. It's really easy. You don't need to be a website developer. You don't need to hire a website developer for a huge budget. You don't need to know coding, nothing like that. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through each section from the top to the bottom just to give you a little bit of a look and feel of how it works, how easy it is to use. You don't need to have any web development skills. Great. So I'm going to click on the update section at the top. All my information is already in there as I've already put it in, but I'm going to click on show email and site. So here we go. My email address is now displayed in the top right hand corner of my multi-sites page. My customers can easily click on it and email me directly. And my phone number over here is click to call, so they can click on it and give me a call directly. Let's go ahead and make sure that's all saved and click on update social links. Now over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. So feel free to give us a follow and let us know how the service is working for you. We'd love to hear your feedback. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. However, if there's any other social media platforms your restaurant is active on that you can't quite find over here, do let us know and we will add them. So let's go ahead and click on save, and now our social media icons are now displayed in the top right hand corner. Our customers can easily click on it and be taken to our social media pages where they can engage and see what we're up to. Great, so I'm going to go and click on close. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout this website just don't quite work for you. This beige, brown, very neutral colors, perhaps they don't work for your business because your branding is completely different. It's another color, it's completely bright, not beige or neutral. That's okay. We can literally click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes and just see which one works for us and our business. I'm going to go ahead and save that one. And now you can see that's used throughout our Marty Sites page. No color coding required. Don't need to Google color codes, nothing like that. Literally go through just the various color palette options. Great. I'm now going to move on to the next section. I'm going to click on update section over here. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on update logo. Now, if you've recently launched your Japanese restaurant, perhaps you don't have a logo, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name on the top left-hand corner here. Still looks really great and professional. However, if you do have a logo, you can go ahead and browse it from your device and upload it over here. So there we go. I've now uploaded that. I'm going to click on save. And there you have it. My logo is now complete. I can make it bigger and smaller to suit my business needs and just see what works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and make it slightly smaller, leave it as that, and then I'm going to save it. And click on close. That looks really awesome. Now, again, just a reminder, we've pre-selected all the images for you, all royalty free, free to use, no licensing required, no fees involved except the $9 a month for your Marty Sites website. We've pre-written all the content for you to try and make it as easy as possible for you to launch a one-page website. We wanted to do all the hard work for you. However, if this image just doesn't work for you and this text content, you can go ahead and click on update section over here, change it and just see what works for you. Over here, you can link to another website. Perhaps you have an order online website that you work through. You can put in the link by clicking over here, choose link, and linking to another website. So perhaps order in or another website that does Uber Eats, something along those lines where people can order online. Another great option is we can upload a PDF file. So perhaps over here you can upload your menu. So I'm going to go ahead and browse and upload my menu over here, my Marty menu. So when your customers do click on that link, and there we go, it's uploaded, they can be taken directly to your menu. So let's go ahead and change that to view our menu and save the content. And there we go. When our customers click on that button, it will directly take them to our menu to check it out. However, you can link to other various places like Uber Eats if you want people to order online, or perhaps you just want it for people to get directions or a click to call button again. Over here, we can update image. If you have professional images of your restaurant that you've already taken, browse through your device and upload them here. However, we can search through the photo library, and Marty Sites will automatically search through the photo library through hundreds of images to choose from that are all royalty free. Feel free to change the wording a little bit and just see what works for you. Perhaps your restaurant doesn't look like that. So I'm going to type in Japanese food and search for that and see what comes up. Okay, all these images look really great and professional. I'm going to go ahead and select that one, select the photo and click save image selection. And there we go. That looks absolutely amazing. I'm really happy with my Marty site so far. Let's go ahead and close that. And over here in this section is where we can update our address, where people can get directions and our hours. Perhaps you made an error on the previous page. You can update your hours by going here and amending it. Perhaps you've changed your hours. Now you are open on a Sunday. You can click on edit the pencil and type that in. Awesome. Okay, so On to the next section over here. We also have another great image, looks very beautiful, high quality. If you're happy with that one, leave as is. Otherwise, update the section and change it, upload from your device, or choose from the photo library that I previously showed you. Over here, again, put in a little bit more information of your Japanese restaurant. We've pre-written all the content for you. However, if it doesn't work for you, feel free to update the section and amend that. Right. Now we've reached the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the Japanese restaurant industry, perhaps who the founder is, the chef, a little bit of their background. Put as much information here of your business. Just give your customers a little bit more details of you and how you came to be. Again, another image looks really great. However, if it doesn't work for you, click on update section over there. Awesome. So look at that. We've created a website for our Japanese restaurant, gone through each section, and it hasn't even taken us 10 minutes. Everything looks really professional. I'm very happy with it. But now I'm going to head over, click on stop editing, and click on the site dashboard. Over here, I'm going to show you this is where you can link your custom domain. So with a professional website comes a custom domain, and we do understand that. So absolutely, you can link your custom domain. Head over to the site dashboard and click on connect a domain. If you are struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial on it. Just go to our channel and search for connect domain. There is a blog post over at www.martysites.com as well with other great marketing tips for your restaurants. However, if you're still struggling and you can't quite figure it out, drop us a message, add Marty Sites as a user, and we will do all the hard work for you. We will link your domain for you. Great. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to build a website using the Marty Sites platform for your Japanese restaurants. Hope I explained it well. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any features you'd like us to add, if you're struggling with using the service, if you need any advice or tips, comment below, let us know. Don't forget the thumbs up. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.